Hey guys, let's talk about the Louis Vuitton Horizon incense burner. Nah, I'm just kidding. This is the Louis Vuitton Horizon light up speaker. Now, before we get into the nitty gritty, no, I am not gonna buy this speaker because it costs a mouth-watering 3,000 US dollars. And as somebody who couldn't even afford the AirPods Max, this is even more out of my reach. I mean, yeah, I can pretend to be a yuppie, put on some nice clothes, nice shoes, and go to the local LV store to try the speaker out, which will happen as soon as I buy some decent clothes and decent shoes. But for now, we're just gonna take a look at what this speaker is all about, its specs, its features, etc. Are you ready to feel like a complete pleb? Like me? Now, this is a very unique style of speaker, although something like this has actually been done before. Some of you may recall the Crazy Baby Mars speaker. Now, that one looks like a UFO just like the Horizon, but it also floats using magic and sorcery. Nah, I'm just kidding, it's just magnets. It's always magnets. Santa Claus isn't real. Now, the Horizon doesn't float, but it's got a charging dock, and when you dock the speaker, it just screams statement piece. I mean, if I were to walk into my friend's room and I see that thing sitting on his table, I'm gonna ask questions. Hard questions. Questions like, what is that thing? Is that a sculpture? Is this genuine leather I'm feeling? Wow, stainless steel. Is this from LV? It's got LV's monogram all over it. How much is it? And then you tell me the price and I'll be like, what have I been doing with my life? Okay, jokes aside, the Horizon speaker is pretty current in terms of specs. It's got Bluetooth 5.1 support, AirPlay 2 streaming, which means that you can include this speaker in your multi-room setup with other AirPlay compatible speakers. Up to 15 hours of continuous playtime. Not bad for a portable speaker, although at this price, I would have expected it to run on nuclear power. It's got a 3-inch woofer and two 0.75-inch tweeter drivers running off 2 times 30 watts of amplification. So 60 watts of total output. The speaker drivers are arrayed to deliver 360-degree sound when in the dock and forward-firing directional sound when you lay the speaker on its side. So yes, you won't be getting stereo separation from this speaker, but this also means that you can place the speaker anywhere, and wherever you stand or sit around the speaker, it'll sound just as good. The Horizon speaker also has app support from the LV Connect app, which at this price, it'll be weird if it didn't, to be honest. As if the Horizon speaker doesn't look striking already, the reason it is called the light up speaker is that it also has concentric LED arrays arranged in a ring pattern that will put on a mesmerizing light show for the ultimate flex. You can toggle through the light show and operate the speaker from its touch bar, which is made of glass, number one, and it looks so clean and so sharp that I just want to caress it with my index finger, but not in a creepy way. So what are my thoughts about the LV Horizon light up speaker? Well, this is LV's first attempt at a portable speaker, and it appears to be an in-house design, unlike the Horizon earbuds that were made in collaboration with Master and Dynamic. Now, those earbuds are basically the same thing as the Master and Dynamic MW07 Plus, but with LV branding and a specially designed case. This one, however, looks to be a completely LV design. It's like LV had its leash taken off and it ran completely wild, and thus you have the Horizon light up speaker. And it is also completely out of my reach. But I promise that what I'm about to say does not come from being salty, but from the perspective of someone who's been in the industry for quite a while. For the price of the Horizon light up speaker, you can buy a full top of the line 5.1 home theater setup from Bose. Now, I have no doubts that there will be people who will definitely buy the Horizon, and all the power to them. But I have also met some pretty rich people who don't even think that Bose sound systems are good value for money. So it really isn't about the price here, but about perception. If you already have an appreciation for luxury goods and you love the care and effort that LV puts into their products, be it bags, keychains, or whatever the case may be, you will be drawn to the Horizon light-up speaker. After all, I'm expecting that they'll be using the same grade of leather and stainless steel as other products in LV's category. But if you're approaching this from the perspective of a techie, yeah? It may be cutting edge now, but gadgets in general, especially gadgets with a battery built inside, don't exactly have the same lifespan or even the same resale value as a luxury handbag. And since this also doesn't have a 3.5mm cable input, it can only go wireless. So the question of latency and how reliable is its Bluetooth connection comes in if you're not running this on AirPlay. Maybe you're outside and chilling at, I don't know, Bondi Beach or something. You'll also be wondering if there's gonna be any signal drops, how loud is the Horizon speaker gonna be in a outdoor setting? Is it as loud or louder than the JBL Charge 4, which costs 20 times less? How customizable or upgradable will the Horizon speaker be through the LV Connect app? These are questions that need an answer, and personally, I don't feel comfortable even spending $300 before finding the answers to these questions, let alone $3,000. But then again, value is very subjective, and it really depends on the individual. Perhaps $3,000 is chump change for some of you, so you wouldn't mind dropping the money for something as insanely unique and distinctive as the Horizon light-up speaker. Just think about it. Having the speaker on your table as a statement piece, the light of the LED reflecting off your walls when you listen to music at night, it's really gonna be something that anyone can appreciate, although it isn't necessarily something that everybody can afford, me included. Now, guys, let me know in the comments what you think about the Horizon light-up speaker. I'm really interested to know what you guys think. And if you enjoyed this video, please slap that like button and share this video with your friends. I upload reviews and other kinds of content from this channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe right now and ring the notifications bell to stay notified. A big shout out to my Lawless gang who supports this channel on Patreon. If you want to have your name on that list like these guys, do support my work on Patreon for $1 or more per month. Not only can you help keep this show going, you gain some pretty cool rewards too. And at the highest tier level, you can even get free merch. Link is in my description box if you want to join the Lawless gang on Patreon. Oh, and join the Discord. That is where we hang out. More videos coming up soon, so don't go away.